Alongside. If something is alongside another thing, then it is next to it.
We work alongside each other in the office.
Appetite. Your appetite is your hunger for food.
Tom has a big appetite. He eats all the time.
Assist. To assist someone is to help them.
Andrew assisted me with my homework.
Breeze. A breeze is a soft wind.
The breeze caused the leaves to fall off the tree.
Defy. To defy someone is to work against them or refuse to do what they say.
The students got into trouble for defying their teacher's rules.
Display. To display something is to show it, especially by putting it in a certain place.
The museum displayed many wonderful paintings.
Efficient. If something or someone is efficient, they do not waste energy.
My car is very efficient. I rarely have to buy gas.
Feeble. If someone is feeble, they are small or weak.
The boy was too feeble to carry the object very far.
Forgive. To forgive someone is to stop being angry with them.
Sandra forgave Peter after he said he was sorry.
Lively. If someone is lively, they have a lot of energy.
Jennifer is very lively. She's always running and playing.
Majestic. If something is majestic, it is large and beautiful.
The rich people lived in a big, majestic house.
Nor. You use nor to connect two negative ideas.
I eat neither apples nor oranges. I don't like either one.
Outraged. If someone is outraged, they are very angry.
My father was outraged when he saw that I'd crashed his car.
Pessimistic. If someone is pessimistic, they believe that the worst will happen.
John is pessimistic. He always thinks something bad will happen.
Rumor. A rumor is something people talk about even though it may not be true.
Kevin was spreading rumors about Marcia to everyone.
Slap. To slap someone means to hit them with the palm of the hand.
Out of anger, Helen slapped Eunice on the face.
Smash. To smash something is to break it into many small pieces.
Jacob smashed the window with a rock.
Subject. A subject is the topic that is being discussed or taught.
The subject of Marco's speech was the economy.
Wage. A wage is the money that a person gets for doing a job.
The wages I receive from my job are really great.
Whereas. You use whereas to show how two things are different.
My sister loves horror movies, whereas I prefer comedies.
Growing to be great. When George was just a boy, he didn't have any parents. The rumor was that they died in a car accident. Many bad things could have happened to George, but he was lucky. He was sent to live alongside other children without parents. There were kind people to assist George and help him go forward with his life. However, he was a pessimistic and mean little boy. George was often outraged. He told mean rumors about the other kids. He smashed furniture and even slapped other boys. He defied anyone who tried to help him, and soon it was difficult for them to forgive him. But George did display a love for one thing. He loved to play baseball. Whereas he was lazy in school and liked neither the subjects nor the teachers, he was lively and happy when he played baseball. One of George's teachers noticed his talent. He began to work with the boy. At first, they only talked about baseball. The teacher watched George play. He was a very efficient hitter. He almost never missed the ball. The teacher thought that George looked majestic when he played. When George hit the ball, it flew through the breeze as if it would never come down. In time, they began to talk about other things. They talked about George's family and his dreams for the future. They developed a very good relationship. As George got older, he began to grow. His appetite was huge. He ate and ate. He got stronger. Soon the other boys and even the teachers looked small and feeble next to him. Everyone thought that this heralded the start of a great baseball career. When George got his first job as a baseball player, he gave most of his wages to the people who had helped him as a boy. He hoped that other children would also find a way to live happy, successful lives.